the beach, the most popular beach, touristic beach of Malta, but we are yeah, very careful, so maybe better. Bay, there is a beach, sorry, and where we spend today. Now we did the road a few times, going around trying to enter in this parking. So here start the beach. There are signs, so be careful. Here there are the guides. So I think we can move a bit. This looks pretty cool. This one looks pretty cool. Okay, so we take two. Very good. Today, lunch. Really beach life today. No swimming, eating. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Caesar salad, octopus, I don't know the name. Tira. Typical of... Oh, there we go. Ma freddissimo? No. Oh, it's so hot. Ice. Spain, I think it's 27 degrees, so you know. Okay, so